Imagine turning your iPhone 17 volume all the way up, only to realize the speaker is still too quiet. You try songs, videos, notifications, nothing gets louder. It feels like your phone is broken, but in reality, a hidden volume limit might be keeping your speaker from reaching its full power. Here's how to turn that limit off. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under the built-in speaker section, tap Volume Limit. You'll see a switch next to Limit Maximum Volume Level. If it's turned on, your iPhone is capping the speaker volume somewhere between 20% and 90%. You can drag the slider to the right to raise the limit, or turn the switch off entirely to remove the restriction. Once you've adjusted it, play a song or video to test your speaker again. And don't forget to raise your regular volume using the volume up key if you need more sound. And that's it. If this helped your iPhone 17 finally sound louder, give it a like or watch another tutorial to uncover more hidden features you can control.